I want to talk with you today about something we call age injustice. It's something we can stop if we raise enough awareness about it. Insurance companies put a lower value on the lives and suffering of older Americans compared to the rest of us. When someone over the age of, say, 60 is injured due to negligence, insurance companies will almost always take the position that an injured person's suffering is worth less because of age, that their case is weaker and smaller because they are an older American. Even worse, the insurance companies will use people's age to blame them for the accident, even if the facts are clear that the injured person did nothing wrong, that they are an innocent victim of another's negligence. We see this happen all the time. For example, insurance companies will often say that an older person was at fault because he or she wasn't paying attention, or didn't have good eyesight, or was confused, or wasn't following direction properly, or was off balance, or didn't have their wits about them. All of this simply because the person is over a certain age. Even more, insurance companies use age as an issue to deny that a person's injuries were caused in an accident. There are many examples of this. An accident, for example, causes a tear of ligaments or tendons or cartilage in the knee or shoulder in an older American. The insurance company will likely deny that the injury was caused by the accident and blame the person's age. They will say that the tear must be from age, that it must have predated the accident. When the person responds with what most of us would think is simple logic, that they had no pain or problems in their joint before the accident, the insurance company typically persists, saying that all the damage is from age, from years of wear and tear, from years of working hard in a physical job, or even from exercising. In this sense, the insurance company actually blames the person for trying to live a virtuous life, for a lifetime of working hard and staying fit. When an accident causes a broken bone, like a fractured hip or elbow, the insurance company will say that the person's bones were brittle because of age. When there's a poor recovery, when the bone doesn't heal right, the doctors working for the insurance companies will say that age is the culprit. The person didn't bounce back like they should have because they are old. Even when an older person proves in court, in a trial in court, that they've suffered a permanent injury, the insurance company usually says that their suffering is worth less, that their case is smaller, because they have fewer years to live in the future, or because the suffering would have occurred anyway from the effects of age. While this may sometimes be literally true, it is used unfairly to devalue the lives of older Americans, to deny them equal justice. This can happen to any older American who is injured from negligence. It can happen to you, to your parents, or to your grandparents. We call this age injustice, and we think it's unfair and has to stop. Older Americans help build our society. They help pave the way for us. They deserve a justice system that values them no differently, and certainly no less than younger Americans.